Good morning, dear students. Today is our last program of the lesson 4th, and we are doing table tag. The next one attribute of the table tag is T head. T head. Why it is used? Suppose you are having a table, and this table is having near about the 200 records, and if a table is having more than 200 records, that records will not come in a single web page, means you have need to scroll the web page, and when you will scroll the web page, what will happen? The heading of the table, suppose you are having the data of the students, and in the first row you have written roll number, admission number, name, father name, telephone number, etc., and it is written in the first row, and you are going to the 100th record. What will happen when you will go to the 100th record? The heading of the table, which is roll number, name, admission number, it will move to the upside. It will not be shown to you. And if you want to keep it still, means the first row will still and the data will move upside. How it is possible? Heading will remain still, and if you go to the next web page, the data will be keep scrolling, but the first line, which is the heading, it will remain still. How it is possible? It is possible by using the T head attribute of the table. It by using the T head attribute, the first row, heading row, will remain still. As shown in the example, you can see the first row, it is of the green color, and it is the heading of the table, first cell. Now I am showing you its program. After body, table tag is started and border equal 1. Next one, T head, BG color equal light green. You can see in the first row, BG color is coming light green. After that, TR. In the TR, it is written first cell, second cell, first cell, second cell. After that, TR closed. First row is completed, and after the first row, we have closed T head also. Means your first row is defined as the head. And as I told you that if the any row is defined as the head, it will remain still. And after that, the remaining rows, you can define whatever its number is there, maybe 100, 200, or like this one. And as we have defined the T head, table head, we can define the T foot also, table footer. T foot. The one more thing, in the T head you can align data and give the BG color also. T foot, for defining the footer of the table. Program is given. The program is same as which we used in the T head, but here you can see in the second last row the T foot is given and its BG color is pink, means last line is defined as the footer, and it will also remain still. from the bottom side. Footer, you can see its BG color is light pink. Next one, T body. As we have defined T head, T foot, in the same way T body is also there for defining the body of the table. And you can see T body BG color is given light green, and in this you can define the data. Here header, you can see in the yellow color, header of the table set by the T head, body of the table set by the T body, footer of the table set by the T foot. So dear students, here this lesson is completed, and if you face any kind of the problem you can discuss with me. Thank you.